Why is the chica really hard to see?
Because she's behind the shadow of him.
Okay, I'm gonna be so honest. If you send me every property you have to this, I will try to make a thumbnail and dude, shut the fuck up. What? Wait. What? What did I even say? What did I? No, Sienna, turn your screen share back on. I'm not saying your thumbnail's bad, but let me try to make a better one.
I'm not done.
So give me the properties to it. Give me the background, give me your character, and give me some of the other stuff. Please. 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 Come on, Sienna. You're not an op like that, are you?
Yeah.
Dude, crazy how I'm trying to help you. Crazy. Alright, Adrienz, what the fuck are we doing?